Oh, my, welcome to like a little mini Carl's Quest. I need to change my tires to winter tires, and I need to fix the diesel heater for the car engine block. Kind of the exhaust for it has been broken. I changed it out. It was the wrong length. I tried to shorten it, didn't work out. I think I had a short about it, so I'm not gonna fix it. It's mostly also just want to edit something on the new mic and on the better software, so we can get a little nicer video. But yeah, let's just do a little short video so I can practice editing. That's kind of the whole channel is me practicing. Yeah, and of course I'm doing this on the safest surface of all, compacted dirt, gravel. This is like between the farm and the house. They're probably gonna feed the cows soon, so I can't use the only cemented thing we have. So I'm just gonna do this here. Maybe start lifting the car a little bit. Oh, perfect. This is the video you see a man die across his skull. This is highly not recommended. But this is how we're gonna do it today. So I'm gonna work my way around, and then I'm gonna get to the site with the diesel heater exhaust. And I have to remove a tire to get to it. So that's the last thing I'm gonna do, but yeah, completely unsafe. I'm just, so we all know that, doing this on this, do it on like cement. Also just realizing, I actually do have a cracked spring. Needs to be fixed someday. But that's just a really good excuse for me to race this car, because I really want to do that. Get the 5-inch lift kit or 4-inch lift kit, I can't remember what it's called. But yeah, that needs to be fixed. So, one side is done. Ooh. Yeah, I really need to fix that spring. But I'm kind of not... I'm not sad about it, because I wanted to race this car for so long. And I needed like an excuse to do it. So that's perfect. Now I got a reason to take the whole... suspension system apart and put blocks. Because I really think I really like this car. And I really think it looks so much nicer when you raise it a bit. It's incredible what it does for the stance. Let's do this one. And then we do the last one. I'm gonna put a rubber mat under it for the last one and put some jacks. Whoop, jack stands. Okay, now it's on the jack. And, so get the tire off. And we can take a look. So I'm basically changing from my favorite alternate. Oh my god! I don't need to change these tires. They do have the right symbol on it. Holy shit, I could run this all year round. But I kind of don't want also because you mostly just get ice here. That's when you need the nails. It's gonna be painful and I need to buy new of these because they're really expensive. I did change it out. Nothing else. This is like folia. That lasted for like 5 minutes. Hopefully I have the right length. So if I don't have the right length, then I just realized that I both took off my favorite tires that I didn't need to, and I have to return these. So I'm gonna keep the packets pristine. Let's get a little idea. Yeah, this is the right length, thankfully. Then I did redo some screws, which is insanely stupid. Just gonna take you off the stand for a second. So these screws were facing inwards, and these were facing the wrong way. So I just need to get my torque thing, and I'm gonna get this off, and I'm gonna put the new one on. So I just need to get me and the camera in here. To cut this guy. I feel like this is all YouTube car channels, is like half of it is just awkward positions to film. Oh wow, they're too thin. My wire cutter. There you go. It's a really awkward spot. Oh. There's the piece. These two match in size. Yes, they are the same size. Go. That's supposed to go. See all this in place. Come on. Oh my god, is this a fitting that doesn't? Feels like these two things are the same goddamn diameter. Yeah. If you're envying people with lifts, then I'm envying people with garages, because this sucks. Also incredibly unmotivated to both work on my car and anything that's detailed work. if we can. Mount the last screw. So, I don't know if you can see anything, but it is there and stuck. To make it cozy for me to work and like put the diesel hood on. So good this guy's working. I should have looked at my tires better, so I didn't need to change out them. This is like, after 1st of December, you gotta have winter certified tires. Oh, all the delicious diesel fuel. Smells horrendous. And having to run it for so long, it's going to smell even worse. At least I can't see any smoke in from the seals. Oh, it's burning off something nasty. It's probably the new hose. It's a little sounding like a little wipe ready, but it doesn't really matter because it's just on when I'm heating the car, and then when I turn off the car, it just cools itself down and turns off, so I don't really care. The real frost, we had -5 for like 2 weeks and some snow. That's pretty unusual for this time of the year. So now it's just gonna be like 5+, really wet and muddy. Don't really need this heater until middle of December. But it's really nice to know that I fixed that and I have it, so I don't need to be scraping the goddamn windows in the morning. Pretty sad that I changed the tires when I just realized that I don't need to change these tires. That's a bit of a mistake. So now I'm just gonna head and put some air in them and make sure everything is tightened down. And then after like 2 or 3 days of driving, I'm gonna tighten up everything again. This is my little scrap pile there. Yeah, this guy's humming. Smelling lovely. What the fuck is that? What did you poop out? I think it was moisture. Yeah, so I don't know. It's been a tiny Carl's Quest episode. Probably gonna be a fucking 3-hour video like always. Finally fixed this heater, so I'm ready for winter time, or I'm ready to not have to scrape my windows anymore. I'm always gonna be sitting in a hot car. I run out of battery and I can't leave work. Yeah, I see you guys later.